Today I'll guide you how to log in into FNB or First National Bank account on PC. Make sure to watch the video till the end so that you won't make any mistakes on the process. Without any further ado, let's get into the video. First thing first, open the preferred browser on your desktop or PC. On the search bar, you need to type in www.fnb.co.za and press enter on the keyboard. So this will take you to the official site of First National Bank account. Then here you need to enter your username and the password. Make sure to enter the correct password. If you forgot your username or password, then you can click on this forget username or password link and reset it from here. And if you haven't created an account on First National Bank, then you need to click on this register button and easily register into it. After you enter all the credentials, you need to click on this login button and easily log into your First National Bank online account on PC. I hope this video was helpful for you. If this was, then hit the like button, comment and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.